Okay friends, so today we are discussing relations. Okay, last time we discussed Cartesian product of two sets, right? So now we'll discuss relations where we will use Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, so suppose there are two sets. Okay, one set is P and another set is Q, and P has suppose three elements A, B, C, and Q has how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements. So here 5 elements and here 3 elements. So how many order pair you will get? Now 3 into 5, that is 15. So 15 order pair you will get. Can you list all those order pairs? Yes, we can list, right? Like A, first element, and first element from here Ali. So this is first order pair. Similarly I can write A Bhanu. Okay, similarly we can write A Binoy, right? Similarly I can write others order pair also. Similarly I can write here from B Ali. Okay, B Bhanu, B Binay, B Chandra, B Dibya. Similarly I can write B C Ali, and you can list all those. So how many? 15 order pair you will get. So how many order pair you will get? 15 order pair, right? 15 order pair. Okay, so now what we'll do, now we obtain a subset of P plus P into, so these are P plus Q. So 15 order pair you got here. So I'll take a subset, subset. So what we'll do, we will obtain a subset means some elements will, right? So how will obtain the subsets? So now we'll obtain a subset of PQ by introducing a relation between first element X. So what I will write? So I'll write like we obtain a subset of P and Q. So PQ we got. So you want to get a subset of P and Q by introducing a relation. Okay, so how will you introduce the relation? I will show you, right? Relation between element of X with element of Y. So I have two sets. I have one set here, another set we have. So I will create a relation. Okay, so how will create a relation? I will take a subset. I will take a subset. I'll create a relation like A. So how will create a relation? So what we'll do, first letter of second set. So first letter is Ali, right? A. So I'll create a relation A to Ali. Okay. Similarly, B, first letter of second set. It is Bhanu and Binay. So I can relate B to both Bhanu and B also relate to Binay. Okay, because both have first letter B. Similar, and C, I will always relate to first letter, right? So C is related to Chandra. But there is no element here whose first element is present here. Dibya first letter is D, but there is no such element here in first set. Okay, so I am creating one relation. So this is our visual representation of the relation. Okay, so how I'll write this relation? So I have a subset of elements, right? So this relation, how I'll write this relation? So my relation, I have created a relation, right? So I have created a relation I will represent as R. So what is the relation? Relation general formula is I have to take an order pair, all order pair X, Y, such that this is called such that, right? Colon is such that. So all, and this is order pair. This is called ordered pair. So I have to collect all those order pair such that, such that X is first letter of the name Y. So all the elements here Y and this is X. So first letter of the name Ali A. Okay, so my X is first letter of Y, name Y. So A is first letter of the name Ali. B is first letter of the name Bhanu and first letter of the name Binay, and C is first letter of the name Chandra. So this is my relation. So how I will create a relation? So relation is, so my relation now becomes first letter A, Ali, okay, and B is related to two names. B is related to Bhanu and B is related to Binay, okay, and finally C is related to Chandra, okay. So this is my relation. Okay friends, you understood this. So, and this is always represented by this arrow diagram. So this is called visual representation. This is our visual representation of a relation. Okay friend, now from next session I'll give some more examples on relation. Okay friends, now I'll define relations. Okay, so last time I just created a subset, right, from a Cartesian product. Now I wanted to define the relation. So I will define the relation R. From how we'll define a relation R. So relation always take from one set to another set. Okay, so R from one set A to another set B, this is also non-empty, this is also non-empty, is a subset. Always important, relation is a subset of Cartesian product AB. So it is always a subset of Cartesian product. Always remember, relation is in short subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, A cross B. So how will calculate this subset? So this subset how is derived? Subset is derived by describing a relation. Describe a relationship between first element and second element of a ordered pairs in A cross B. So this second element is called image. Second element of an ordered pair is called, very important, image of first element. We have an ordered pair A and B. So this B is called image of first element. Okay, so now we'll discuss three important terms. Okay, always remember these three important terms I'll discuss. One is domain, one is called domain, range, and codomain. These three terms are again very important for exam also. Okay, so in a ordered pair, so first definition I will write what is domain. The set of all first elements set of all first elements of a ordered pair of an ordered pair in a relation R from set A to B is called domain. What? Domain of relation R. So what is domain? So a set of all first elements. Suppose I have created a relation. Okay, so this is relation I created, right? Like earlier we created A is Ali, B Bhanu, B Bijay. Okay, so just I created a subset. Suppose this is my subset. Okay, this is a relation. So all first element A, B, here also B. So A and B. So these are the first element of the order pair, right? So set of all first element kiska of an ordered pair are called domain. So what is domain? If I will ask domain, so domain is nothing but here A comma B, because A and B are the two elements from the first relation. So from the relation you take only the first elements from the order pair, those are called domain. Okay, now next definition is what is range. So what is range? So all second elements, now we'll write this set of all second elements, this set of all second elements of an ordered pairs in a relation are from set A to B is called the range. Important, is called the range. So all second elements, set of all second elements of an ordered pair in a relation from A to B is called range. Is called range of a relation R. Is called the range of a relation R. Okay. So set of second element in a relation is called range, and the whole set is called the whole set B is called codomain. Is called what? Whole set B is called codomain. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, I will explain again. Okay, so set of all second elements is called range, and whole set B is called codomain. I will explain what is the difference between range and codomain, but you now understand what is the definition of domain. I explained first element of the set is called domain, second element of the set is called range, and whole set is called codomain.